Hello and welcome to what I guess you could call Season 3.5 of Microwave Me. I've moved the location to another venue which you may recognize from the Season 2 finale where I did the lighter, the root beer can, and the ping pong balls. Well, now I have improved safety features such as that gas mask and goggles for more dangerous experiments with toxic fumes. Still got the lantern, and in this bag somewhere I've got an even better auxiliary microwave illuminator because you can't see shit during the daytime. And it's all going to be done in this microwave that's been through hell. To start off the sub-season, I'm going to be doing styrofoam block and packing peanuts. Now let's stuff the microwave full of styrofoam block and, of course, some packing peanuts. Let the show begin. Okay, I'm going to do this for 1 minute. See if anything cool happens. Uh-oh. There we go. That should fix it, I hope. That's it. Let's see what happened. Nothing. So you basically saw everything that happened. Nothing. Do I even need the spatula for this? I've been wanting to do this since Season 1, really, but why? That was a classic example of a stupid idea. Sorry for wasting your time, folks. Promise next one will be a little better.